Welcome back to another episode of Pimp My Stratosurfer. So I picked up this really small video switcher. It's a two-way video switch and it's awesome. So I pre-tinned the pads and we're gonna wire it up. I'll be assigning the PWM signal to the two-pole or the two-position switch on the transmitter, so that will allow me to flip back and forth between my front viewing FPV camera, and then I mounted the second camera on the tail so I can actually see the plane. And here in this time lapse, I also used this moment to install a UBEC, which was long overdue. And I'll tidy this up, it looks pretty bad. But I set it up this way so I could test it before I stuffed it inside the fuse. So the first couple of tests, the video switcher works fine, but the long runs of cables cause a lot of interference. So I shortened everything, neatened it up, and you can see the OSD overlay. It's a lot better now. It's not jumping around. The jumping that you see, that's is from being inside the garage and things like that. I don't even think I had an antenna on the goggles, but it works. It's nice. I'm happy. I saw a video on Facebook where somebody had done that, and I thought that was a pretty cool idea. So I'm doing it too.